Good day everyone, mabuhay. My name is Kuya Selwyn and I will be your tour guide for the city of Pasig, otherwise known as the Green City of Progress. For those who are wondering why Pasig is called the Green City, it is merely because the fact that Pasig highly prioritizes making eco-friendly buildings and making an eco-friendly way of life here. Every material has to be eco-friendly, and that is why it is called the Green City of Progress. Pasig spans approximately 31 square kilometers, bordered by the following cities. To the if you go to the north of Pasig, you will arrive at Quezon City and Marikina. If you go to the south of Pasig, you will arrive to Taguig and Pateros, the municipality of Pateros. If you go to the left, or not left, if you go to the west of Pasig, you will find Makati and and Mandaluyong. And lastly, if you go towards the east side of Pasig, you will find, excuse me, you will find the Rizal province. Oh, some trivias about Pasig. Another nickname for Pasig is called a gateway to the east. I'm going to explain why it's that. It is a trivia that Pasig was known as a city of two capitals. One of the reasons was back then, before Pasig was ever established as a city, it was part of Rizal, which is located in the east. Hence, why it's called the gateway to the east. It was formerly known as the capital of the Rizal province. Hence, why of the statement of two capitals. Hmm, that's all. Fun fact: if you see the Pasig seal, it shows a a picture of a woman there, which is or a picture of a mermaid. That is called the Mutya of Pasig, or otherwise known as the Muse of Pasig. It symbolizes the heritage, the beauty of the Pasig, and the flowing waters of the Pasig River. So why is Pasig called Pasig? Pasig actually means a sandy river bank in Tagalog. It is, of course, referencing for the fact that Pasig has a very long river coming from Laguna de Bay that actually stretches all the way to Manila. So Pasig was actually founded back in 1572 by the Augustinians in the Rizal province, hence why it was a part of Rizal for a long time. It only became a city or a part of Metro Manila when it was only founded as a city in Metro Manila back in 1995, which it officially became the Pasig City. Now that we know the rich history of Pasig City, now we need to know who leads it and what are the attractions that you can visit. Here is Kuya Jiro to discuss more.
Thank you, Selwyn. Ngayon naman, magtungo naman tayo sa history at pinagmula ng Pasig. Let's move on sa present day. Kung sino ang nag-lead sa syudad na ito at kung ano ang mga cool places na pwedeng puntahan. So, first of all, hindi makukumpleto ang tour guiding na ito about Pasig kung hindi natin babanggitin ang kanilang mayor. He is none other than Mayor Regis Vico Soto. Sikat siya sa kanyang galing Pasig campaign na nakafocus sa transparency at tapat na serbisyo. At leadership, nakikip ng Pasig ang titulo nito bilang the Green City of Progress. So, speaking of progress, hindi lang puro skyscrapers at traffic ang meron sa Pasig. Meron itong amazing culture at mga hidden gems na perfect for sightseeing. So, first on our list is the Pasig City Museum. Dito nyo makikita ang mga relics at dokumento na nagpapatunay kung gaano katanda at kayaman ang history ng syudad na ito. If you want to get know the Pasigueños better, ito ang perfect starting point ng ating tour. Para naman sa mga nature lovers at adventure seekers, we have the Rave Park, no? Sobrang affordable ang entrance na ito, pero sulit na sulit dahil may water park, zoo, at picnic area sila. So, perfect example ito ng isang green space sa gitna ng busy city life. So, moving on, sa ating spiritual at architectural heritage, nandyan ang Pasig Cathedral. So, fun fact, no? Fun fact. Isa ito sa mga oldest churches dito sa Pilipinas, built way back in 1572. Hanggang ngayon, ito pa rin ang center ng faith para sa mga Catholic Pasigueños. So, if you're looking for family-friendly fun, the Ark Avilon Zoo is the place to be. Isa itong indoor interactive zoo na ang design ay inspire sa Noah's Ark, no? Nung Old Testament. Pwede makipag-interact ang visitor sa iba't ibang animal sa loob ng isang safe and controlled environment. Ang Pasig City ay hindi lang basta business hub. It is a city that balances modern progress with history and nature. Once again, I'm Julius Arroyo Basa, and together with my partner, Selwyn Aranaido, ito ang aming tour guiding about Pasig City. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Buhay!